This is a 2019 BMW K1600 B. This is BMW's hot rod bagger. It has an inline 6-cylinder engine with approximately 1600 cc's pumping out 160 horsepower, 129 pounds of torque. This is one go-fast scooter. The color of this BMW is Imperial Blue Metallic. It has 2,194 original miles on the odometer. This bike is not even remotely broke in. That's fully loaded from the factory. There's a lot of great options on it. It has the touring package, it has the comfort package, has the safety plus package, it has a select package. It has dynamic traction control, dynamic electronic suspension adjustment, ABS Pro. One of the nice options from the factory is the center stand. And it also has the premium wheels. Stock, they come with just a solid black wheel, and the BMW premium wheel has some real nice style to it. Comes equipped with quick shift, and what that is if you're on the throttle, you can shift up through the gears without having to use the clutch. You can also downshift without using the clutch. Has an aircraft style fuel door, 7-gallon tank, has an electronic windshield that's operated by the handlebars, heated grips, heated seats with separate controls front and rear, adjustable levers, has a wide array of optional information through the screen that can be controlled by the handlebars, hydraulic clutch, has a security system that can be set to set automatically, or you can set it manually with the key fob. Central locking for the saddlebags. You can lock and unlock it from the key fob or the handlebars. Nice big LED lights in the rear. This bike has a lot of visibility. Between the large LED lights in the back and all the LED lights in the front, you will be seen on the highway. The floorboards are basically your highway pegs, and underneath is the engine guards. Has LED driving lights, adaptive headlights that adjust whether you're going up or down the hill or around the corner, keep you focused on the road. Just an absolutely beautiful bike that will haul the mail. This is one quick bike. Just an absolute blast to ride. You can go out and rip the Twisties with the sport bikes, or you can put your gear in it and head across country in comfort, in style, and be able to pull out and pass about anything on the road. Has a really nice stereo system with a Bluetooth system, so you can either use the stereo that's in the bike or Bluetooth your tunes into it. Has a keyless ignition. you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a good look at this 2019 BMW K1600 B. It has awesome styling, super low miles, incredible amount of horsepower and torque. It is a go-fast bagger. This bike has full factory warranty on it until the summer of 23. For information on how to put this beautiful K1600 B in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com.